Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I'm going to share with you the seed haul. Now let's get into it. So I ended up putting in a seed order from MIGardener. My summer garden is thriving and now it's time for me to peek a little bit into my fall garden season, and I ended up buying some seeds. Now most of these seeds are for that fall garden, but I did pick up a few seeds that I'm going to be saving for the 2023 season, such as some tomato plants and some zucchini plants. Now it is not too late to start a garden. I know that it is nearing the end of June, but you still have time to put some warm weather crops in if that is what you would like. I know some of the smaller cherry tomatoes grow pretty quickly, zucchini, cucumbers, things like that. And maybe you could go into your local nursery and save some of those vegetable starts that are still sitting on that shelf and need someone to save them and give them a good home. Now as it gets into July and August, I will be starting my fall garden. I'll be starting my brassicas. I'll put in another round of greens, my lettuces, things like that, some peas. And as prices go up in the grocery store, it's really great to take a step back and look at what you buy that you could grow in your own garden and take the step to start growing your own food. I know I am seeing posts about victory gardens everywhere and that makes me so happy. I love seeing people take their power back and grow their own food and add nutrition into their diet that is very close to home. Now, let's get into my seed haul. Now MIGardener had a sale for I think 30% off, but as the season ends and they start restocking with their 2023 seeds, seed companies are having some great sales. I've seen sales from 20 to 40% off seeds, so it's a great time to stock up on your seeds. Plus, everybody could use a little bit of food security now. So for my tomatoes, I grabbed my San Marzano tomatoes. I already have some of these, but this is one of my favorite tomatoes, especially to can with. I also have some Amish paste tomatoes. I don't have this, but it's something that I'm really looking forward to grow next year. Now for my herbs, I have a herb garden up front, but I think that a storm took most of it out. The mosquitoes are awful out here. So because of that, I did grab some more herbs. I have some summer savory, some dark green flat leaf parsley, some Italian large basil, some mammoth basil, some Italian oregano, some rosemary, and some thyme. Now I'm swatting bugs away. Now for my cooler weather crops, I have some carrots, I have some Long Island Brussels sprouts, some red acre cabbage. I also have some golden acre cabbage, some self-blanching cauliflower, some Lincoln peas, some Wando peas, some French breakfast radishes, some German giant radishes, some purple top white globe turnips, some American purple top rutabagas, and some golden Detroit beets. Now I don't even know if I like beets. This is going to be an experiment. Now I also have some Virofly spinach. We love our spinach here. Some Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. Some blue curled Scotch kale. Some dinosaur kale. Some Ford Hook giant Swiss chard. Some Coco Zell zucchini. I am so excited about this, and the 8-ball zucchini. I actually might put some of this in my garden for this year. And then MIGardener always adds in a free seed packet, and this is the salad bowl mix. Now I already have some of this growing in my garden from the first seeds that I ordered from them, and they're doing super well. Actually, I picked some kale and lettuce this morning, so I'm going to take you guys inside. I'm going to make some burrito bowls, and I will add in some of that kale and lettuce that I grabbed this morning, and I'll put it in my dinner. So let's go do that. Now on to making our burrito bowls. I have these refried beans. These are canned refried beans that I made, and also this can of black beans. I'm going to drain this. I'm going to make my refried beans first, and then I'm going to add in my black beans. I do have a piece of bay leaf in each one of these, so I want to make sure I get that out. Now I have rice going in the Instant Pot, and I have these baby greens that I pulled out. There's kale and a couple different kinds of lettuce. I'm going to chop this up for the top of my little burrito bowl. Now to my refried beans, I'm adding in my black beans, and I'm also adding in a can of Rotel. You can add whatever seasonings you'd like. I'm adding in some taco seasoning. And I'm just going to let this simmer for a couple minutes while I cut up my lettuce. Let me release my rice. My brown rice is done. All right, let's start building our bowl. I have my scoop of rice. I have my bean and Rotel mixture. I have my greens. My salsa verde, and a dollop of sour cream. And that is what's for dinner. Now, thank you so much for coming along as I shared with you my seed haul and what I ate for dinner tonight. If you like this video, please hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching.